Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Legally Blonde Halloween look on Dress to Impress. You can add laptop, it's optional, but she does wear this when she buys the laptop. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I did both of these, and then for this one I did some accessory adjustment, Y at 0.6, Z at 0.73, rotation, X at 0.65. Then for the fit, super simple, you're going to need the Sabrina Carpenter bodysuit and the second toggle. Turn off the kiss toggle as well, and you're going to color it FFA BF1 for both of the colors. I think I'm going to make it matte and then glitter because I want it a more softer pink. Then I am going to use this in this color B74E63 for the stockings. And for the shoes, I'm just going to wear these in the same color as the top. For the bunny ears, obviously use this one in that same color as your outfit, and then let's do the same for the leggings here. And if you have VIP, you can even grab the laptop to complete the look, and I just did this pattern because it is like orange and like white, the like laptop she had. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!